Welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to sell relics in Elden Ring Nightreign. To sell relics is very simple. You just head here and perform vertical rights, and you just press F1 or scroll here. Depends on what you scroll. You're just gonna go here, and you're just gonna pick things you don't like. Oh wait, this one's pretty good actually. Hold up. Um, Giant Incantation, Vigor, Dragon Communion. I don't like this. Then you can just select those and just sell it. Depends on what keybinds. Mine's 3 because I'm on PC. Let's say I don't like this one. We're just gonna sell them for 950 merc. And as you see there, I already sold my stuff right there. So you can just head over here and buy more stuff. So this is really handy if you're gotchaing a lot of relics right here. So if you're doing a gotcha and you're doing it like this, and you don't like the relics that you were given, you can just head over and just sell it and do it like that. Sell, and you just sell them again, and you just go ahead and go to the small jar bazaar again to sell and buy more relics. So that's how the loop is. Or if you want to buy skins, go to change garb, and you want to buy skins like this one. Let's say I want to buy darkness or something like that, or sell sword. I can just buy him like that, equip it. See right there. So that's pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's how you can sell merc or like relics in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.